Hey guys, so this is my first attempt at actually going through and trying to do some form of a vlog. So bear with me if this actually comes out pretty bad. But you have probably noticed that my background has changed. And over the course of the last few weeks, in terms of the YouTube videos that I have dropped, I have been trying to figure out the best way to like organize my new background because, drum roll, I bought a house. So with buying a house, I actually finally officially have my own office space. Thank you, Lord. I've been waiting for this for so long. My prior situation, just to, I guess, give you a little bit of background, I was actually sharing that office space where I was shooting the YouTube videos with my now fiance, which I don't have on my ring. Don't tell him that. I take it off and then I'm like, okay, I'll put it back on, and then I forget. That's neither here nor there. Anyways, I was sharing that space with my fiance. It was half his man cave, half my office. So it just made it really hard for us to be able to function. So we knew that we had to buy a house. We knew that it was time. We knew that like we just needed honestly the space. So my office is downstairs. His new man cave area is upstairs, and it works perfect for us. But with that being stated, I've been trying to figure out like what's the best background. So right now my desk is like against this wall. There's two little sad succulent plants that's there. There's nothing on the walls. You probably saw some videos where I tried to shoot in front of the window, thinking, okay, maybe that'll be like a cool background. But I finally have just given in to the thought that I really just need to figure out an actual like office setup, like an official office setup. I need to decorate. I just need to go through that. So this is going to be a behind the scenes of me going through that process. And in the end, I will show you exactly what turned out. So if you're interested in seeing what my new office setup is going to look like and what the new background for all of the TBR videos is going to be, then stick with me. I'm so excited to bring you along on this journey. Okay, so this is the original TBR location where I shot all my YouTube videos. And I'm just gonna do a quick circle around because I don't think you've ever seen the full thing. So it's like a little loft area in the apartment, and that's right where all of my videos were shot. But I thank God for growth and being able to actually have an office now. Okay, so today is wall painting day, and I am super excited after going through and trying to figure out, am I going to do wallpaper? Am I going to do paint? Am I going to do a design? Am I not? Finally figured it out. So today we are painting the wall, but wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of what it's going to look like before, and then of course I'll come back and do the after. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Hope it turns out good, but just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of what it looks like before we get started. we have taken the tape off of the wall and it is looking good. This is the next day. There's a couple little things that we still have to fix just in terms of like the size, but overall it looks really good. I'm really happy with how the color turned out. The lighting in here is a little bit weird, so it's actually more I think blue than like this darker blue that's showing up in the video, but it does look really good. So we are doing the final touches and then I'll be super happy to start to move stuff back in here. So this is the final look of how the wall turned out, and as you can see, I was super happy with how everything turned out. It took about a day and a half to get the full wall painted, so just extremely grateful that it came out good. So I forgot to tell y'all that I did end up getting a desk. So I actually bought a standing desk. I've been really wanting one just because I've heard how it helps you to be super duper productive, and I wanted a huge desk. So this desk I actually got off of OfferUp, so I didn't buy it brand new. And it is 70 by 30. So it is a huge desk. I'm excited to see exactly what it's going to look like in the room after the paint dries on the wall, and also like what other stuff I'm going to be able to get into the room. But wanted to make sure that as I document this office makeover, that I let you know what the desk situation is going to be looking like. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you a quick look at the final look of the office, and when I say final, there's definitely still a ton to do in here, but this is how the desk turned out. I also got a brand new monitor. These are some of the items that I was able to pick up from various stores. I still need a new chair because I feel like it doesn't go with like the office anymore, but I did add a plant as well. But it turned out really good. This is literally my favorite room in the house as of right now. I spent a lot of time in here, so I definitely wanted it to have a very tranquil feel to it, and I feel like this blue just, oh my goodness, it's exactly what I was looking for. So I appreciate you for tuning in and seeing how I was able to transform my office. If you're not subscribed to my channel just yet, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button, as well as that bell, so that you can get notified of all of my videos that do drop weekly. As well as if you're not in my Facebook group, then be sure to check it out. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. We're in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.